Welcome back to Crafted Wood Studio. If you're passionate about transforming your living space with natural materials, today's topic is just for you. We're diving into eco-friendly elegance, the lifestyle benefits of crafted wood. Imagine entering a room adorned with finely crafted wooden pieces, tables, chairs, shelves, all exuding warmth and character. How does it make you feel? Let's explore why integrating crafted wood into your environment is not only beneficial for you but for the planet as well. The natural beauty of wood. One of the most striking aspects of crafted wood is its natural beauty. Each piece tells a story, from its grain to its texture. Have you ever marveled at the unique patterns in a wooden tabletop? These characteristics are not just visually appealing, they evoke a sense of connection to nature. In a world filled with uniformity, wood brings variability and warmth into our homes. Think about your favorite space, what makes it feel cozy or inviting. Often, it's natural materials like wood that create that atmosphere. Integrating crafted wood into your living areas encourages relaxation and offers a tactile experience that synthetic materials simply can't replicate. The eco-friendly edge. Let's talk about sustainability. When you invest in crafted wood, you're choosing a product that's often sourced responsibly. Sustainable forestry ensures that trees are harvested in a way that maintains the health of forests, allowing them to thrive for future generations. By selecting crafted wood, you are reducing your carbon footprint. Unlike plastic, which can take hundreds of years to decompose, wood is biodegradable. It returns to the earth, enriching the soil and supporting new plant life. Transition to practicality. So, what's stopping you from making the switch? Opt for handcrafted wooden items that are not only beautiful but also environmentally friendly. Craftsmanship and uniqueness. Now let's delve into craftsmanship. Every piece of crafted wood furniture is a testament to the skill and dedication of artisans. When you choose handcrafted items, you are supporting local craftsmen and women who pour their heart and soul into their creations. Each piece is unique, often highlighting the individual character of the wood and the artisan's technique. Emphasizing curiosity. Have you ever touched a piece of finely sanded wood and felt the care that went into its creation? Unlike mass-produced items, crafted wood carries a sense of pride and history. Encourage personal connection. Imagine owning a piece of furniture that not only serves a function but also carries a story. It sparks conversation and invites admiration, a true centerpiece in your home. Connecting with nature. Integrating crafted wood into your home not only beautifies your space but also fosters a deeper connection with nature. Studies have shown that spending time in natural environments or surrounding ourselves with natural materials can significantly reduce stress levels and enhance well-being. Inspiring message. When you choose wood, you invite the outdoors in, creating a feeling of tranquility. Picture lounging on a crafted wooden bench in your garden, sipping tea, and enjoying the sights and sounds of nature. It's these moments that enhance our quality of life and help us appreciate the world around us. Wood in everyday life. Let's get practical. How can you incorporate more crafted wood into your everyday life? Start small. Consider wooden kitchen utensils, handcrafted bowls, or a beautiful cutting board. These items not only make cooking enjoyable but also elevate your culinary experience. Invite experimentation. If you're ready for a bigger commitment, think about investing in a custom wood dining table or a shelving unit for your living room. These statement pieces don't just serve a purpose, they transform the entire atmosphere of your space. Additionally, consider local artisans or sustainable furniture stores that create crafted wooden items. Each purchase supports small businesses and promotes a more sustainable economy. As we wrap up today's discussion, let's reflect on the elegant benefits of integrating crafted wood into our lives. This choice nurtures our connection to nature while enhancing the beauty of our homes. So, what are you waiting for? Explore the world of crafted wood and discover how it can impact your lifestyle for the better. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear how you incorporate wood into your life. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates from Crafted Wood Studio. Together, let's celebrate the beauty and elegance of crafted wood. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, every piece of wood has a story, and it's time to make it a part of yours. Until next time.